Darren changed my life kasi napalapit ako sa mga tao. I gained friends and doon I came to realize and nakita ko na may mga tao na naniniwala at nagtitiwala sa akin. Kaya thank you, Darren. Congratulations and God bless you always. We love you, Darren.
Hi Darren, by the way, I'm Rachel from the Learnatics on the Go. I just want to say thank you for inspiring us in so many ways. Your songs, your voice, and your talent is just so amazing. What I love the most about you is that you still keep yourself grounded all the time. Take care, God bless, bye-bye.
Hi Darren! Congrats sa first concert mo and thank you dahil napapasaya mo ako every time na napapanood kita. Good luck sa career mo, stay humble and healthy. At nandito lang kami mga fans mo to support you all the way. Hi, bye-bye from Ninya. Thank you.
Hi Darren, Ate Nestle here. I'm not a fan girl before, but now I am a certified Darrenatics on the go. Thank you for sharing your talent and your music. You inspire us that glorifying God, being humble and down to earth can lead you to success. Good luck to your career. To God be the glory. Bye!
Paano nga ba nabago ni Darren ang buhay ko? Noon kasi kontento na akong nakikita sa TV ang mga paborito kong artista at singer. Pero dahil kay Darren, nagawa ko pang sumali ng fans club. At dahil dito, nagkaroon ako ng mga bago kong kaibigan na masasabi kong pangalawa kong pamilya, ang Darrenatics OTG. Pero higit sa lahat, naging masaya ako.
Hello Darren, I'm Yana from Darrenatics on the Go. Gusto ko mag-thank you kasi dahil sa kinanta mong basta't maghintay ka lamang, mas naging strong ako sa dumating at darating pang problem sa akin and pagsisikapan kong maabot yung mga pangarap ko. Thank you din kasi dahil sa'yo nag-gain ako ng maraming friends. Yun lang, take care always and God bless. Bye-bye!
Hi, this is Maureen from Darrenatics on the Go. How Darren changed my life, simple lang. He inspires me almost every day in my studies. Nasa sobrang hirap na scores ko, nasa dami ng stress, nalilimutan ko because of Darren. So Darren, keep on smiling. We will support you every day, forever and ever. Amen. Thank you.
Hi Darren! Thank you for inspiring me and thank you for being my stress reliever kasi kapag naririnig ko yung kanta mo, nawawala yung stress ko. And at dahil sa'yo, nagkaroon ako ng second family which is the Darrenatics. Yun lang. Thank you. Take care always. God bless. Bye-bye. Mwah!
Darren! Congratulations sa first solo concert mo. And doon ako, manunod ako doon. And isa lang, nagpapatunay na isa kang phenomenal child star. I just want to thank you sa pagbibigay ngiti sa aking mga labi. Kasi every time na pag nanonood ako ng videos mo, talagang ang saya sa video. Continue inspiring others and stay humble and cute. Bye-bye! Congratulations!